What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Future Affiliate Pro video. My name is Jamar Jones. You guys could be doing anything with your time, but you're spending it with me, and I appreciate it. To all the new subscribers, thank you. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to be telling you about a training package that I'm going to be giving away once I hit 300 subscribers. So stick around. I'll tell you the details of how you can be eligible to win the training bonus web page from me, and I'll see you guys on the other side of this. All right, low ticket versus high ticket. If you're a new affiliate marketer, or you've been in affiliate marketing or trying to make money online for a little while, you have tried to decide whether you want to do low ticket or high ticket affiliate marketing. Everybody crosses this hurdle once they get started, and there's a lot of different ways that you can get pulled, and you're not really sure which way that you want to earn your commissions. So I hope this video helps you guys. So low ticket commissions. Low ticket commissions can be just like Amazon Associates. They offer commissions anywhere between 1 to 10%, and it's just a one-time commission. And the way this works is you either refer somebody to a product either through your blog, a website, and they use your Amazon Associate link, and then they go over to Amazon and purchase something. You'll earn a commission from it. Now, while this may seem not too bad, it actually takes a lot of volume of commissions to earn what you may earn, say, on a high ticket or an MMR, which is a MRR, which is a monthly recurring commission. So on the other side, high ticket, Clickfunnels has a 40% monthly recurring commission. So their average package is $97. So if you refer one person and they join Clickfunnels to use their software, you'll earn $38.30. Now, they also have packages that go a lot higher, which allows you to earn anywhere up to $931.20 per commission. So on the low side, Amazon Associates, one customer, you can earn anywhere between 40 cents to $40 depending on what products you're promoting, say on your blog or your website. So you can see between low ticket and high ticket, one customer, the amount of work, depending on how much traffic you're driving to your blog, one customer isn't really going to net you a lot of commission. Whereas on the ClickFunnels side, one customer is going to net you almost $40, and that's a monthly recurring commission, so that you earn that 40%. As long as they're using the ClickFunnels website, you'll continue to earn $40 a month. And I'm going to get into why this is so powerful. So to earn $300 a month on a low ticket like Amazon Associates, you would have to sell $50 product 100 times, and you would have to start from scratch every single month, meaning that you would have to actually get the traffic, or you would have to go out and find at least 100 people, or they need to buy a $50 product 100 times. And it may seem extremely difficult at first because your blog or your website may not have a lot of traffic. So to earn $300 a month when you start out doing low ticket, it's going to take you a while. Whereas high ticket, you can actually earn $300 a month with just 8 customers using their basic $97 a month plan or their subscription. You sell it once to them. Due to recurring commissions, you will earn $300 a month. So the high ticket recurring commission setup is extremely powerful, and it will be even more evident as I get to the bottom of this picture. If you guys aren't following me on Future Affiliate Pro on Instagram, go ahead, go into Instagram, type in Future AFF Pro. This slide or this picture and all the other pictures in here are all pulled from my Instagram, where I put content on affiliate marketing, making money online. There's also quotes in there, entrepreneurial quotes. There's all kinds of stuff in there that's useful for you if you're trying to learn about affiliate marketing. So if you want to sell $5,000 worth of product of Amazon product at 6% commission to make $300, that's a lot of work. Selling $5,000 worth of stuff is a lot of work in any job. However, on a high ticket, you've got to only sell $776 worth of marketing software to make $310.40. So if you look at the balance between the two, it's quite obvious that high ticket is the way to go. So to make $3,724, you're going to have to sell $62,000 at 6% commission, and you're going to have to sell 103 of a $50 product per month. So those are new customers every single month for 1 year, and that would be 1,241 customers. So to make $3,700 with Clickfunnels, you're only going to need 8 customers paying for 12 months. Just 8 customers. So you can see, again, how powerful high ticket can be. So talking about monthly recurring revenue, which is the model that Clickfunnels is, I want to explain why monthly recurring revenue, not just with Clickfunnels, but any ClickBank product or any type of software service where there's a monthly recurring revenue, it can be extremely powerful in generating a huge amount of passive income. So monthly recurring revenue is affiliate marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing where you get a commission at the end of the month when somebody's recurring plan on a software or product you help promote. So you promote it, you make the sale, and you'll continue getting commissions as long as that person's using the software. So how it works, somebody purchases a monthly recurring product. The product costs $100. I'm making it even numbers here. You get 40%. You earn $40 a month per user. So with this simple model, a company can make $1.2 million a year just from 1,000 people. So in it, for example, 1,000 people have an iPhone, and 1,000 people pay AT&T $100 a month for their phone service. So 1,000 people times 100 is $100,000 a month. 12 months times $100,000 a month is $1.2 million per year. So you can see, if you are able to effectively market a certain software to 1,000 people and they need that, or they use that service every single month for a year, and it's costing them $100 a year, earning a commission of $100, that's $1.2 million a year, right? So mind blown. AT&T has 143 million wireless customers, and their average monthly revenue at $100 per user is $14.3 billion. $14.3 billion, yes, billion. That's the power of monthly recurring revenue. So why I like monthly recurring revenue the most: sell one time, keep getting paid. That's it. You just need to sell it one time, and as long as that person uses that platform, the website, the software, you keep getting paid. So it's super passive because of the monthly commission. Since you're the affiliate, you don't provide the service. No customer service needed from you. The company handles all of the customers. And that's big because that allows you to go on and focus on gaining more customers, selling more product for the company. All of your focus is into that. So little to no maintenance. The company handles customer satisfaction. So your job is to basically drive traffic and sales, and then you earn the commission. So lastly, the power of a typical high ticket webinar offer. And this is one of my last it's one of my most recent posts on Instagram, and it's really, really powerful because webinars allow you to connect with the consumer. People like to see or hear from you giving your opinion on a product and the benefits of the product, and it will likely lead them to you making a sale with them. So say you have 200 visitors. You send out an email to 200 people, and 40% of the people sign up for the registration. That ends up being 80 people. 30% of people, 24 people actually attend the webinar, and out of those people, you make 2 to 3 sales. On a high ticket webinar, that could be anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500 commission. So follow that up with a replay recording to the people who weren't able to make it to the webinar, and that gets you 2 more sales, so another $500. So with one offer or affiliate campaign on a high ticket offer, you could earn anywhere between $2,000 to $2,500. Now say you run this every single week. For a month, you could look at potentially to an email list or running a solo ads, you could be looking at $2,500 a week or $10,000 a month. It's that simple. If you guys are interested in ClickBank or affiliate marketing with ClickBank, go to there'll be a description below, and there's a whole, once you sign up, there's a whole web page full of information teaching you how to affiliate market and start earning a passive income with Clickfunnels. So the last part of this video, I just want to talk about my giveaway once I hit 300 subscribers. I just want to give back to all the people that started following me from the beginning. And what all you guys are going to need to do is just leave a comment down below, hit the like button on this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also make sure you're subscribed to my Instagram, which I'll link down below, and I have a Facebook group, Future Affiliate Pro. Make sure you're joined into my Facebook group. So once you have all those things done, and I hit 300 people on my next, it may not happen on this video, it may not happen on the next video, but make sure you guys are subscribed so you can keep coming back, leaving a comment, because I'm going to do a random comment generator, and I'm going to choose one person to receive a whole bunch of training that I've amassed over the last year. It's a whole bunch of different email marketers, it's online entrepreneurs, it's a whole bunch of training all in one, so it will help you. If you guys aren't going out and trying to get the training, sometimes you have to buy the training, you guys have to go out and continually educate yourself on online marketing, email marketing, putting out content, learning how to build web pages. You should be constantly learning every single day. And my motto is to take action, follow through, and don't quit. Because most people, they end up quitting with affiliate marketing and online marketing and making money online because they don't see any results right away. And this isn't, unless you've got the magic pill, there is no magic pill to this. It actually takes a really, really long time to gain traction and gain the experience and the knowledge to be able to build funnels and build systems that can generate you online passive income and online income selling and promoting products. So again, make sure you're subscribed to all of my social media channels. Subscribe to this, hit the notification bell so you get my videos as soon as they come out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. We'll see how long it takes to hit 300 subscribers. It may take 1 video, 2 video, 3 videos, a week from now, 2 weeks from now. I have no idea, but make sure that you guys are checking out every video and you're commenting down below and hitting that like button, and I might select you to give, it's probably about a $500 to $1,000 worth of content. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.